You've just sent this month's credit memos out to your vendors. So what happens now, and how much of it is actually on you to manage? Almost none of it. Let's walk the whole vendor review from send to settled. The second you hit send, the ball's in your vendor's court, and this tab is where you watch it happen. Every memo you've sent lives right here, so you always know exactly what's still out for review. Each one shows its own status, so a single glance tells you where every vendor stands. And you're not the one chasing them. ShelfSpace keeps nudging each vendor with automatic reminders until they respond, so nothing stalls and nobody on your team is stuck sending follow-ups. So what can a vendor actually do with a memo? 3 things. Approve the whole credit, approve just part of it, or push back and decline with a reason. And they don't need a login for any of it. One click in their portal or a plain reply to the email and their answer gets recorded. Want to see what they're looking at? Open any memo you've sent and the full thing comes right up. The very same document sitting in your vendor's inbox this minute. Every credit, laid out line by line for them to check. Each one tied to a real package, a real cost, and a real reason. There's nothing here to argue with because it all came straight from your own sales data. And here's what gives the whole program its teeth. Once a delivery's confirmed, a clock starts. And if a vendor simply goes quiet, after 10 calendar days, your documented credits approve themselves. Silence is not a veto. Depending on your settings, those credits either book automatically or wait one click away for your final say. Now, what if a vendor declines or comes back with a lowball number? You've got options right here on the memo. Adjust the amount and resend it, approve it at their number to keep things easy, or hold your ground and keep the conversation going. It's your call every time. And that's the rhythm after you send. Vendors approve, trim, or push back. The reminders and the deadline run on their own, and you step in only when you actually want to. A documented defensible ask, mostly handling itself, right up until it settles.